Do you want to make the habit of going to the gym? If you stick till the end, you'll know exactly how to make the habit of going to the gym. Personally, myself, I have been going to the gym from the past like 3.5 years, so I might be able to tell you something. And now you got to figure out why you're going to the gym. The first point in going to the gym is to take care of your health. You will be physically, mentally, and socially stronger than the rest of the people. The second point is you're doing this for the sake of God. God has blessed you with this position of health and your body, and you need to take care of it. And the third thing is you're doing it to look good and feel good. If you look good, people will give you more respect and generally will lead you to have a better life. And the mindset you should be having is not of the short term, going to the gym for like 2 months and leaving the gym. You should have a long-term goal. You should have the mindset that you're going to the gym for till you die, and you're going to be. You just have to make half an hour or an hour of time each day to take care of your health. So now coming to the part of how to make this a habit. The first thing you need to do is to make the habit super easy to do. Maybe you do workout in your home, or you do it for like 10 to 15 minutes or even 30 minutes, but just make it easy. And the second thing you need to do is to make it attractive. And how do you do that? Maybe if you're going to the gym, then go to the gym with your friends, or picking a sport which you're interested in or you like to watch. And the third thing is to adjust your environment. Prime your environment so that it will be easy for you to go to the gym or play a certain sport. Pick a gym, maybe if it's close to your home or if it's on the way to your school, or make a space in your room to work out. And the fourth thing you need to do is to make it satisfying. You have to love to go to the gym or do a physical activity. How do you make it satisfying? Maybe going out with your friends, or picking a sport which you like, or feeling the reward of your healthy body, or looking at yourself in the mirror and going, wow, these are the rewards which you get from working out. Also, I want to tell this one thing, that if you're disciplined in going to the gym consistently, then this will follow throughout your life, and this will transcend to other parts of your life, such as eating healthy food to support your diet, and helps you focus in your studies and helps you create a routine. And this is the best thing a man or woman can do to fix their routine and their lifestyle. So that's it for this video. Hope you find it useful. Do like and subscribe to follow along the journey, and hopefully you make the habit of going to the gym or playing a sport to maintain your health. So with that, peace.